udah keluar dari kereta guys. Aku nggak berani bikin video di dalam kereta karena ini Australia, aku takut kena denda, takut videoin orang. Dan kita udah di Melbourne dan kita mau nyebrang ke sana. Dan tunggu itu tanda jalan itu berwarna hijau dulu. Nyebrang. There we go, sun. Use tram also?
Ya.
Oh, kita masih naik tram di sini. Kita nanti naik tram kayak gitu. Nomor 16. Let's see.
Now leaving the freight tram zone. Please ensure you've touched on your money. Stopping at Brown Street.
Tada, aku udah di Melbourne guys, dan kita ke St Kilda Beach. Dan ini aku udah turun dari tram dan kita mau ke St Kilda Beach. Dan masih dingin, walaupun sekarang udah lebih hangat sih, 12 derajat Celcius. Dan cantik banget ya, ini belakang aku paintingnya. Tuh, lihat nih gambarnya, paintingnya. Lihat tuh apartemennya, lucu banget ya. Dulu suami tinggal di sini guys, Reed Mansion, waktu dia kerja di Melbourne. Dan kita pesan kopi di sini. You want coffee now or later? Jadi sebelum jalan-jalan kita ngopi dulu di sini. Jadi kita ngopi dulu guys, cappuccino. Good. Enak.
Downstairs is like Woolsworth, and in front of it is a place that I was always buying charcoal chicken.
What that?
Chicken like, but made on the charcoal, like
So
on the coal.
This phone still works sayang?
Probably.
Masih ada telepon. Dan di sebelah kanan itu park.
So sayang, now when you look back, you see that up there, the
Yeah.
glass.
Yeah.
So that's where I used to live.
So you upstairs.
Yeah, all the way on the rooftop.
So you can see the beach.
There, so not really.
Oh, there beach.
I wonder if Joe still lives there.
Joe, your friend?
The owner, landlord.
Oh.
Woolworth is still over there.
Where Woolworths?
Over there. That's where I was shopping my groceries. I was always going down every day this road down there. There is also swimming pool with warm seawater.
Bird. The bird. Hello bird.
It's in Canada, I wasn't born. Taken to some of the homeless here that was hungry and bring the other half back home for a dinner.
Yeah.
Actually, I had like good relationship with people living on street here
Yeah.
because I always give them the food.
Uh-huh. Still part the beach sayang?
No. What, you tired?
No.
It's already over there.
So you many time go to beach?
Sorry?
Many time you go there?
I was not going that much on the beach, but to the swimming. But when I went swimming, I also saw how this is the barber shop I used to go to. Maybe I should go there again.
Yeah, you can.
You want me?
Yeah,
Okay.
cause you need barber.
Really?
Yeah. Hello, Bar. Hello. Dan di sana tuh beachnya, guys. Wow, that ship sayang, Royal Melbourne.
What?
That ship, Royal Melbourne yacht.
It's a club of the yachting.
Whoa, now we are at the beach.
Okay, I will check the internet. Where is the? Because I actually really love to have that Korean chicken.
Look, oh my god, beautiful. Dan kita mau nyebrang ke sana. Jadi sebelum nyebrang, tekan dulu ini.
Come.
Oke, let's go. Harus cepat-cepat kalau nyebrang.
Cepat-cepat.
Cepat-cepat. What that the orange one sayang?
It's some kind of memorial.
Memorial. Many sailing boat.
Get ready.
Run, run,
Cepat,
run.
cepat.
Ya, nyampe kita guys. Ini di beach San Kilda, right?
Kilda.
Kilda.
Yeah.
San
Over there,
Kilda.
that building, that's where I used to go swim
Ya,
and have sauna.
ya.
And when I did sauna, I did not go to cool myself into the pool. I went cool myself to the ocean.
Ya. Ada, dan aku ada di St. Kilda Beach guys, di Melbourne. Ya ampun, finally aku ke Melbourne. Dan tuh belakang aku beachnya, dan aku mau tunjukin sama teman-teman. Dan sini areanya kayak park gitu. Dan kita ke depan sana. Tuh, katanya di sini ada penguin guys. Tapi biasanya penguinsnya itu adanya pagi hari atau sore hari, dan ini udah siang, jam 12. Dan banyak banget boat di sana. Ada ini kursi kalau mau duduk capek. Dan kita ke sana. Tuh, beachnya guys. Nggak bisa buat berenang sih, tapi paling enggak kita bisa melihat view-nya yang bagus. Jadi di Australia itu kalau kalian mau berenang itu harus lihat-lihat dulu apakah bisa berenang atau enggak. Karena di sini itu ada shark, bahkan buaya. Oh, clean water. You can see fish.
No, not here.
Where is penguin?
Over there, you see that building?
Yeah.
So that it's not original. It used to been set on fire at one point, and they rebuilt it. But it looks like it was built like in the 19th century. So there is a restaurant, and behind that are the rocks where the penguins have babies. And like in the morning, they set out to the sea to hunt, and by the dusk they come back to feed the babies.
Yeah. So we go there in that restaurant.
No,
Yeah.
to go to the Korean restaurant.
But we walking go there, it's okay. Oke, kita mau pergi ke ujung sana guys. Tapi sebelum kita pergi, aku tunjukin dulu view-nya ke sebelah kanan. Tuh, jadi di kanan banyak sailboat. Dan di pinggir-pinggir itu kota Melbourne. Dan yuk kita ke sana. Jadi guide-nya di depan sana. Dan lihat airnya itu bening banget guys, jernih banget. Kelihatan kan jernih banget. Dan kita mau ke rumah yang di sana itu. Jadi ini kita jalan ke ujung sana. Sambil lihat view di sebelah kanan. Karena sebelah kiri itu tembok. Oh, kokatu. Kokatu, no? Sigul. Sigal. Lihat tuh burungnya, guys. Hah? What?
Here, big jellyfish.
Big jellyfish. The white one?
Yes. Careful with the phone, yeah?
Yeah. Jellyfish.
I don't want to buy new iPhone. Mahal.
Lihat tuh sigal. Cari ikan. Burung yang putih itu. Tuh ada orang yang dayung sampan. Itu yang tadi jauh, tempat yang kita lihat udah ada di depan.
I think we can't go to penguins.
Yeah, it's close.
Yeah, I'm afraid so.
Oh ya, tutup, nggak bisa ngelihat penguins. Construction site. Jadi ada orang yang mancing di sini. Penguin over there. penguinnya di sebelah sana. So there must be
The way around, but I don't know.
penguin cannot go here because of that rock.
No, I mean like people are there, so they need maybe to get there somehow. So maybe there is a road around.
Maybe they are family from this house.
Yeah, maybe they are.
Dan ini aku udah sampai di ujung guys, tada. Dan rumah penguinnya ditutup, nggak bisa masuk ke dalam. Jadi kita nikmatin aja di sini. Tuh. Dan kita mau lihat-lihat yang ada di sini. Jadi dari ujung sini kelihatan view di sana. Tuh building di sana. Gedung-gedung tinggi. Dan saatnya balik guys. Kita cuma ngelihat apakah bisa ngelihat penguin, ternyata nggak bisa, masih dalam konstruksi. Dan kita harus jalan ke ujung sana. Dan ada beberapa orang mancing, dan yang mancing ini biasanya udah punya anggota gitu, klub gitu. Kita balik ke ujung sana guys. Dan kita mau explore tempat lainnya di Melbourne.